Hey guys, Mix here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a pretty cool object that I recently received, and we're going to be using it for a future build after the dirt bike. This isn't for now, guys. It's for when we're done with the dirt bike, one build at a time. And I was going to do the Solex, if you guys remember that old engine-powered bicycle that I received. I was going to do that as a project, but I think you guys are probably going to like this one better. I'll probably just do that in my free time, or maybe just do a mini-series with that. But as you guys could tell from probably the title, I'm probably going to be doing a shifter cart with this. So I think that'll be really cool. So I'll show you guys right now, and hopefully you guys like it. So guys, here it is. It is a Yamaha engine, I believe off a YZ80. I think from the 70s. I know it's been sitting for like 30 years, but it's completely all taken apart. When I got it, it was taken apart, everything. The cylinder doesn't look bad in there. The piston has a gash in it, so if we do get this thing running, which it should run, definitely needs to be cleaned out. There's like wood chips in it. Bottom end's like partially locked up. When I first got it, it was completely locked up. But what I did is I just put a ratchet on the flywheel nut that's holding it down and turned it, and I got the engine unlocked. I tried lubricating some stuff down there. It definitely helped a little bit, but it still should be, I still should be able to turn this over with my hands, but this thing is just so tight. It also came with the clutch discs. It also came with the clutch disc. And also came with all the clutch. Just say disc. Clutch discs. Discs.
It's good. That's okay. That's okay.
And the friction pads look pretty good, so these discs will probably be able to be used again. Just need to clean them up. I tested out the gears just with moving this a little bit and seeing if the engine will turn over while it's in gear. And I know that we have like first and second, so I'm sure we have the rest. But all the parts are in here. You know, some more covers. I have the cover right here. As I said before, the head cylinder. Also came with like these reeds, Kickstarter, a pretty cool armature, I guess you could say that this is. Never seen this before. These two sides right here just wrap around the flywheel, and obviously as it spins, it makes the spark. So that's pretty cool. So I want to make this into a shifter cart build, of course, once we're done with the dirt bike. But if you guys want to see on something else different, like maybe this RUP frame I have, or maybe even this little chopper frame that I have, this thing's actually pretty sweet. It has speedometers and everything like that. These brakes are insane good. The seat's mad comfortable. It's got the Highway Cruiser's foot pegs. This thing needs a lot of work though. I can make this into like a shifter mini bike. But I think I'm just gonna try and find a dirt bike frame because I want to do like a stick shift go-kart. That would be pretty cool. And I've seen a lot of go-karts with like these 80cc two-stroke engines before, and they rip. They were like 70. So as you can see right here, the engine does turn over really stiffly though. Like I should just be able to turn this over with my hand, so there's definitely something wrong there. But I mean, if we get this bottom end spinning normally, then this thing should be able to run. I mean, everything inside, all the gears and everything, the whole shift rod and everything looks fine. Once this thing has a nice cleaning with maybe some parts cleaner or something, it should clean right up and maybe spin a lot easier. And then I'm sure I could just clean up the cylinder a little bit. There's just a lot of dirt and everything inside, but it seems pretty smooth for the most part. There's not really any scars or anything, so this should also be able to clean up. I'm probably just gonna hone it a little bit. So I figured I'd show you guys now so I can hear you guys' opinions on it. I think this is pretty cool, and I think it'll be a pretty sweet build. But I want to do a quick update with the RM build. So as you guys know, I was having that stupid problem with that bolt that kept rounding out. I tried those needle nose vice grips. I tightened them down so tight. Tried spinning it, the bolt was just like falling apart. So I think I'm just gonna break that nut.
That's what she said.
Just so we can get the top end free and continue with splitting the case and doing the whole rebuild. So once I break that nut,
That's what she said.
then we're going to continue with the rebuild and hopefully get the whole thing back together. I'm still talking about getting the frame powder coated because there's a lot of parts that need to be replaced from the rust. So I'm going to try and get as much information as I can as soon as possible and keep you guys updated. And sorry for not uploading for the past couple days. You know how it is with school and the weather just been terrible. I try my best to upload whenever I'm free. I try and record, but now we have the weekend coming up. We're supposed to have warmer weather, like high 30s, low 40s, so it's going to be pretty tropical. And also, comment down below if you guys want to see a shifter cart build or anything else like a shifter mini bike. I'm leaning more towards the shifter cart, but let me know your input. And before I end this video, I want to thank you guys for 1 million consecutive views. We just hit it about an hour ago or so that is absolutely insane. Thank you guys so much. But with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry for just a short video. I just wanted to show you guys that because it's engine related. This channel obviously has engines, so figured you guys would probably like it. Check out my Instagram and Snapchat and all my social medias. They will be on the outro of this video. But anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, friends with the channel. Thanks for watching.